everyone, I am an intern here at Rice Creek Field Station, and today for this newsletter I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own possum. So for this craft you're going to need a toilet paper roll, a paper plate to put your paint on, some gray paint, a nice paintbrush, some pipe cleaner, a crayon, a glue stick, scissors, and googly eyes, along with a piece of paper. So to start, we are going to put some gray paint onto our plate. And we're going to start painting our possum body. So you're just going to take your gray paint and start painting your toilet paper roll to be a nice possum gray color. When it is all done, it should look something like this. So next what we're going to do is, if you don't have construction paper at home of like a gray and white color, you can just take a normal piece of paper and color it with a gray crayon to make the fur for the arms of your possum. Alright, so now that you have a nice part of your paper colored in gray, or already have gray construction paper, you're going to go and cut out the little paws for your possum. So this is what your possum hand is going to look like. So you're going to cut a nice square shape, and then you're going to cut some fingers into it. And make sure you cut out 4 of these. Don't worry about them all looking the same. That's the fun of it. Now we're going to attach the possum feet onto our possum body. So you're going to take a little bit of glue and you're just going to rub it on the outside part of your possum paw, just like that. And then you're going to stick it to the outside and decide what you want to be the bottom of the body, and just stick it onto the outside of the body, like that. And you're going to repeat that 4 times, 2 up front and then 2 in the back. After gluing your possum legs to your body, it should look a little something like this. With that same gray paper that you colored or already had, you're going to cut some ears out of it. You're just going to make 2 little mound shaped cuts, and it's going to look a little something like that. Just 2 little small possum ears. With the rest of your paper, we're going to cut out the possum head. So we're going to cut it in the shape of a heart. So how you're going to do this is fold your paper in half, and then you're going to cut half of a heart shape. And you can make your possum's head however big you want it to be. And then when you unfold it, you got a nice little heart. Now we have to put the possum head, ears, and body together. So you're going to take your possum head and your 2 possum ears, and you're just going to stick a little bit of glue on the back side of your heart. And go ahead and put your ears on. And then boom, your possum has 2 nice ears now. Now we get to put the possum's eyes on. So you're going to take your googly eyes and you're just going to put a little bit of glue on the back side of your googly eye, and you're going to attach it in one of the humps of the heart, just like that. Now do that to both eyes. Now attaching the head to your body, you're going to want your body and your head. What you're going to do is, just like the ears, put a little bit of glue on the back side of your possum head and stick it onto the body. We are almost done. Now all you have to do is put the tail onto the body. And how we're going to do that is we're going to make a nice little bend in the end of his tail. And we're going to attach it to the inside with our glue. And now you have a nice possum that you made from scratch.